Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my card sketch number 81. And you'll know every Monday we post a new card sketch, and it's hard to believe that we're already on 81. But this is the card sketch for today, and I'm going to make this card right here, but we're going to turn it vertical. So this is horizontal, and we're using the Melon Mambo, and we're using the brand new Everything is Rosy kit. But this is another one that I made using the same Everything is Rosy kit, but I changed it from the Melon Mambo to the Night of Navy. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love all that shine. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the base. We're gonna use the Melon Mambo, and this piece is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then you're gonna need a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then the Melon Mambo is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. That's gonna lay right on top of the Whisper White. And then another piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Then you're gonna need 4 little squares. And this designer paper, when you get the kit, it has 6 by 6 pieces of designer paper, which I'm gonna show you all the designs in just a second. So each square is cut at 1 1/2 by 1 1/2, and you'll need 4. All right, so let me show you what I did for the squares first. We're gonna start with the detailed trio punch. And you're going to use this corner rounder right here. You're going to take your square and you're just going to slide it into your punch, just like that. And then I'm going to lay mine down and just punch it. Okay, so you get that corner round like that. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side that we just punched. So just slide in your little 1 1/2 by 1 1/2 piece and punch. So then you're going to have your 2 corners here rounded, and then these 2 are at the points. Okay, so we're going to do all 4 pieces the exact same way. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're going to pop these pieces up on a dimensional. So let me grab those. All right, so now on our little 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 piece, we're going to take our points, and this is going to be pointing out to the outside and to the center of your 3 1/4 piece. So we're just going to put it right there, and you don't want to press it down permanently yet, because once you get the other square on, then you can kind of position it to the center of your square. And I'm going to move this one over, I think, just a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So now once you get your first base of your 2 squares, then the other ones can be built around that. That looks pretty good. So this is going to be the focal point of our card. All right, so now let me show you the kit. This is the Everything Rosy kit. And you get a lot of stuff in this kit. So let me show you here. So now these are the 2 ribbons that you get in this kit. And these aren't sample of the ribbons. These are a whole full-size 10 yards of ribbons. So this is the Melon Mambo, and then this is the Night of Navy with the rose gold edge on that. Isn't that beautiful? And that's what I used on this one here, so you can see it on the finished card. Beautiful. So you get 2 spools of ribbon, 10 yards each. Then you get these mirrored image little accents or embellishments, and you have little protective covering over them so they don't scratch or anything. Then you also get 6 sheets of the dies, and you'll get 2 sheets of this one here. Now mind you, I've been already into this kit. So these are the 2 that you get for that, and then you also get 2 of the die cuts with the flowers, and then you also get 2 die cuts of these rose gold pieces here. Okay, all right, so then you get the die cuts, and then you get full package of the designer paper. And this is the specialty designer paper, because you can see it's all accented with the rose gold. Let me move this out of the way so you can see this. So I'm going to show you the double-sided, because they're double-sided again. And these are all cut at 6 by 6. But when you measure it out, it's a full pack of specialty designer paper that Stampin' Up normally sells in 12 by 12. But because of the package, they're all cut at 6 by 6. So this is one side, and then this is the back side. Beautiful. Then you have, now mind you, there's 8 sheets of 6 by 6 of each of these designs. Then that's the back side. Then you have this one, back side. And you have this one, the back side. And then you have these 2 here. Aren't they beautiful with that rose gold? I love it. And then that's the back side of that. Beautiful. So you get a whole pack, 8 sheets of 6x6, and then you also get 8 sheets of the rose gold foil sheets, which is the 12x12, and you get 2 sheets normally with the foil sheets, but with the package, you're getting a whole pack, but they're cut in 6x6 again. So the rose gold foil sheets, then you also get the framelits, and then also the Everything is Rosy stamp set. So you get the bundle in this kit as well. And then you also get the shimmer paint, which is the rose gold shimmer paint. And I've already added this to a Stampin' Spritz bottle, and we're going to use that on today's card. So now let me show you a few of the other cards that I made with this kit. So then here's one that I made with the double bridge card. And then this one as well with the Night of Navy. And then this one's with the Melon Mambo. And then this one, you might remember this past Thursday, I posted the quarter fold card. So this is the Night of Navy, and I haven't quite finished the Melon Mambo version yet, but aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then of course these 2 cards here. This is the one that I made for my card sketch number 81, and then this is the one we're making today, but we're gonna make it the vertical way. All right, so there's just a sampling of the cards that I've made with this kit so far. All right, so let's continue with the card. We're going to bring in our pieces, and we're going to layer our Melon Mambo onto the Whisper White piece. I'm actually going to put this on here first. So I'm going to put that right about there. Then our ribbon's going to layer below that. So I'm just going to put some snail on the back side, and then take the ribbon and wrap this around the bottom section. I'm going to lower it down just a little bit. Yep, that looks pretty good. So we're going to wrap that around. Get my scissors. Okay. All right, now we're going to go ahead and spritz this with the rose gold shimmer paint. Remember, this is in the Everything's Rosy bundle kit, the product medley kit, I should say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz this. Remember, I fill the whatever spray bottle you're using up about 3/4 of the way with rubbing alcohol, and then just pour a couple teaspoons of the shimmer paint. You don't want to pour the whole bottle in there because it's going to be too much, and you don't need that much unless you really, really like it. And I really, really like it, and I don't even use the whole bottle. So you're just going to shake this up. You want to shake it every time because the shimmer paint settles at the bottom of your spritzer bottle. So we're just going to spritz this in the air, and I'm going to catch it. And it's just going to add a little tiny bit of shimmer. And of course, it's not going to show up on camera, but if you stay tuned to the end of today's video, I have an up-close picture of that with me holding the card so the light hits it and you can see it. It's so beautiful, but very, very subtle. All right, and then I have a bow already tied with the same ribbon, and I have it on a glue dot. So I'm just going to peel this off of the mini glue dot here. So I have a couple mini glue dots on the back side, and I'm just going to put this right onto the ribbon down below. Just like that. And we're going to put this onto the base of the card. I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals. So pretty. And this is going to go right on the base. And of course you could finish the card and put another piece of Whisper White on the inside. And I would cut that at 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, so now we're going to stamp the greeting for the front. And I'm using the Everything is Rosy stamp set with the Melon Mambo Classic Ink. Remember, these are the die cuts that we get with the kit. And I'm going to use the same one that I used for the other card. Let me find it here. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, we're going to just use this one here. Let me just punch that out. Okay, so the greeting we're going to use is time to celebrate all the lovely things in life, starting with you. We're going to stamp this right in the center of this little frame. So beautiful. So pretty. All right, let's put the ink pad away, and we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. So pretty, and then we're going to set this right in the center of our little focal point of the card. So pretty. All right, so let me show you the other ones again. Okay, so here's the exact same card, but I turned it horizontal this time, and then there's the vertical one we just made. And then this is the one that's the vertical, but with the Night of Navy. And then this is what started it all, card sketch number 81. Now remember, my card sketch is just like a launching board for starting your creativity going on making a card or designing a card. So this is the template, and then you design whatever you want using the template with whatever stamp set and designer paper. That's the whole concept of card sketches. So I hope that helped you, and I hope you love this week's card sketch. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll also have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.